Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Manduka Pro Yoga Mat. The Manduka Pro is an ideal solution for both beginners and advanced yogis. And one of the biggest reasons it's held its spot for so long is that it carries a lifetime warranty. So if you buy it, you never need to buy another mat again. Professional quality ultra supportive 6mm thick yoga mat. Perfect for the serious yogi, Pilates, bar, or fitness aficionado. For gym, studio, or home use. Pair with one of our performance towels for extra grip during sweaty sessions. Manduka Pro Series yoga mats curb the amount of PVC mats that enter landfills every year and reduces overall mat consumption. During the manufacturing of most PVC products, toxic emissions may be released into the air. However, Pro Series mats are manufactured through a process that ensures no toxic emissions are released into the atmosphere. The Manduka Pro is certified safe for human contact by Ucotex, a material certification agency in Europe for the textile industry. All Pro Series mats improve with use over time. The more you practice, the grippier it gets. Our second best yoga mat for beginners is Heath Yoga eco-friendly non-slip yoga mat. The Heath Yoga mat is one of the best balances between affordability at the time and quality for beginning yogis. It's made from a non-toxic TPE material, which is a medium-density foam that doesn't indent easily or interfere with your balance. TPE is the latest technological improvement to the traditional yoga mats. No latex, no PVC, or any heavy metal. Our mats are made of SGS-certified TPE material, which is non-slip, odorless and excellent in cushioning, unlike those cheap and traditional non-green PVC, NBR or EVA yoga mats. They are truly eco-friendly, healthy. The alignment lines help you to focus and adjust your hands and feet to the accurate position, and keep body in proper alignment. 6mm in thickness offers the most comfortable experience for all level yogis. Double layer structure design provides optimal grip, excellent cushioning, and double-sided non-slip texture, best suitable to practice many forms of yoga. Double layer design perfectly matches different non-slip requirements from your body and the floor. That is why we call it premium standard. Each side has an anti-slip texture to provide the grip power, so that your mat will stay firm and you will never slip during practice. Let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Jade Harmony Yoga Mat. The Jade Harmony is a very high quality mat that's essentially the baby brother of the Jade Fusion. It's made from a sustainable natural tree rubber with an open-celled surface that's known to have extra grippiness without leaving sticky residue on your palms. Jade Yoga Mats provide a superior level of traction. We use natural rubber, which has a much stronger grip and more cushion than any of the synthetic rubbers on the market. Most popular mat. The Jade Harmony mat is 3/16 inch thick, providing great traction, cushion, and stability for standing poses. It's the perfect mat for every occasion, for any activity, and for any level. It came in a wider size, but if you're a slightly smaller person or you've used a normal sized yoga mat without any problems, you'll be fine with this width. Jade Yoga Mats are designed to utilize only high quality materials to ensure outstanding performances and long lasting products. The overall durability and style of this mat are outstanding. It comes in a number of very cool colors and, since it's made from rubber, it's extremely durable. Number 5 in our top 5 best yoga mat for beginners list is Yoga Accessories Non-Slip Yoga Mat. The Yoga Accessories 1x4 inch mat is longer than your standard mat, so if you're on the taller side, this should give you plenty of length. However, the mat's only 24 inches wide, meaning you won't have any extra real estate on the sides of you. If you're a taller person who's slightly larger, you may want to keep scrolling and check out the Manduka Pro and Heath Yoga mats. The thickness of this mat is decent and does a good job of minimizing the feeling of the floor underneath you. Double-sided non-slip texture provides comfort and allows for the perfect amount of stickiness to give you the stability you need for any pose. Durable and tear-resistant workout mats are constructed without toxic phthalates, latex or heavy metals. Premium weight mat material is perfect for any type of yoga or Pilates routine and will last for many years to come. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.